Hey guys, welcome to the WMadness Garage channel. Keep watching this video if you want to know how you can upgrade your Camaro interior using our shifter kit. You can also find an installation instruction in PDF on our website. Turn the ignition on and switch the gear to neutral. It will give you more room to work during the installation. Turn the ignition off and make sure your car will not move anywhere. First, you need to remove the OEM piece from the floor shifting mechanism. Engage the parking brake to be safe during the installation. Then you need to cut a plastic triangle piece. Take this sign in the circle as a reference point of your cut. Slide the spring in and install the cover bushing. The cover bushing has one surface with cut on it. This side goes inside the OEM floor shifter. After you're done with the bushing, you need to install plastic top piece. It's a bit fragile, so be gentle and slide it on top of the metal shaft. Make sure the small nose is forwarding to the front of the car. Next step is to install the aluminum shaft itself. Take a Phillips screwdriver and tighten a screw in place.